Hey there! So, let's talk about a common issue that you might encounter while working with spreadsheets. The problem arises when you're trying to combine data from two columns, but you run into an error that's preventing you from completing the task smoothly. On top of that, the information from the second column doesn't seem to be pasting correctly, adding to the frustration. It can be quite a headache, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for the problem at hand. The key lies in a specific formula that will help you effectively merge the data from the two columns without any hiccups. The magic formula goes like this. If row 1 equals counter A1, index A row, index B row, counter A plus 1. By understanding and applying this formula correctly, you can seamlessly combine the contents of column A and column B, making your task a whole lot easier. Remember, the solution is just a formula away. To wrap things up, mastering the art of combining columns in spreadsheets can save you time and effort in your data management tasks. By utilizing the provided formula and following the steps outlined, you'll be well on your way to becoming a spreadsheet pro. So, give it a try, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.